Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store not live. First, you can password protect your store. This is perfect for when you are still building or need to restrict access temporarily. Simply go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, then Preferences. Scroll down to Password Protection, enable it, and set a unique password. You can also add a custom message for anyone trying to visit your site. Another way to make your store not live is by disabling your sales channels. These are the platforms where your products are available for purchase. To do this, head to Settings in your Shopify admin, then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Find the specific sales channel you wish to remove, such as your online store, and click to uninstall or remove it. This action will stop new orders from coming through that particular channel. If you need a temporary break, consider pausing your store with the Pause and Build plan. This option allows you to keep your store's data intact for a reduced fee, typically around $9 per month. Go to Settings, then Plan, and select the Pause and Build plan. Your customers won't be able to make purchases, but you'll still have full access to your admin to make updates and edits. For a more permanent solution, you can deactivate your Shopify store entirely. This action cancels your subscription and removes your access to the Shopify admin. Before proceeding, it is crucial to export all your important store data, including customer information and product lists. To deactivate, go to Settings, then Plan, and choose Deactivate Store. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision and finalize the closure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.